There's been a lot of generations since this cartoon was first penned, and everyone has seen this pose and these two characters. It's Peter Pan and Wendy. And it looks like Wendy's giving Peter Pan a piece of her mind, and Peter Pan looks a little taken aback. We're going to try to capture the energy of that pose, with Wendy being more forward and Peter Pan kind of, whoa, like what's she got going? And we got to get the colors right and the shapes of the hat, all the little details here. This will be fun to draw. It's colorful. You need a lot of colors for this. Greens and reds and yellows and blues. And really, let's try to capture that I'm trying to tell you something sort of energy that Wendy's got. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.